welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie. So today's video is going to be on this neon green look that I was like in the mood to do. I don't know why. So yeah, if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So today's video, I will be using the Jeffree Star and Morphe palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm like in the mood to do like a neon look. I was looking on, I was on Instagram and I started seeing like all these neon looks and I'm like, oh my God, I've never done one. So neon green look. So I'm gonna definitely attempt to try to do one to see how that goes. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the base. I'm gonna do, since I already have my full face, and I prime my eyes just using, you know, my foundation and concealer. I'm gonna go in with the LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Limeade, right? Limeade? It's not lemonade, it's limeade. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all on my lid. So I can see if I can blend this. I've never used these before, so let's see how they work. They were a little bit more, they were way cheaper than the NYX ones, so I wanted to try to see if they're comparable. And I'm just applying this pretty much all over. Okay, and I am just using this as the base, so I will definitely blend this out. I didn't want to apply any browns to my eyes because I didn't want to disturb the color or like change the color in any way, alter the color in any way. So I just went ahead and just wanted to start off with that base. But I mean, you can, I don't know if you will change the color, like use maybe like a yellow or something as like your base. I just didn't want to. Now these, I am having a little trouble blending. I feel like they're a little too tough, maybe. I don't know. I am having a little trouble blending it. Can y'all tell? Oh my God. So talking about now, so since I'm using Jeffree Star palette right now, I've been watching the Shane Dawson series with Jeffree Star, and I feel like I have a totally new perspective on like Jeffree. Like I feel like, I guess, you know, social media painted him to be some kind of like, you know, mean YouTuber. I guess like, you know, the feud that he had with like the other beauty gurus and stuff like that. You know, I definitely don't have opinion on that, what I do, but you know, I won't express my opinion on, you know, that feud. But I felt like they painted him to be some kind of like mean person, but I feel like Shane really helped, you know, everybody see, in my opinion, of course, or at least, you know, some of his, you know, subscribers and, you know, Jeffree's, the true side of him. Like super sweet. Like I just didn't expect him to care so much, like, and be so, you know, humble and all that. It's so amazing. Like I definitely would love to one day meet him or possibly work with him. Like how he defended Nikki tutorials, like I didn't even know that was going on. I'm not really into all that YouTube drama or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and just go in with another brush and start applying. I'm gonna go in with Wake and Bake, see if I can go ahead and just maybe blend that in as well, like to set the foundation, not to set the foundation, to set the whatever it's called. Oh my God. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use this and just to set that that pencil that I just used. See how that goes. That jumbo pencil. I definitely possibly could have just avoided using that one. I really am not I'm not really liking that color. It's not blending well. Like it's not allowing the shadow to blend. Like it's like sticking to the shadow. Okay, so I definitely did not like that. It definitely did not let me blend well. It was not letting me like move the shadow around, and the shadows with the Morphe palette were definitely really good, are definitely really good. So I know that they're not the issue. I definitely truly believe that this definitely was the issue. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this brush and just apply the Nate shade. Start applying it, darkening up that lid in the crease. I didn't get another fluffier brush and just pretty much blend my crease a little bit more. I feel like that little pencil thing made it a little difficult for me to blend it, but I'm trying to work with what I got here. So I didn't go in with the pencil brush and just apply that bake, the Wake and Bake to my lower lash line as well. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and get the Nate shade as well, and then apply that and just blend all that. I wanted to just make sure I smoke it out really well. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the James Charles palette, and then get that neon yellow, and then just apply that on the inner corner. I just want a little pop. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the white liner and pretty much tight line my eyes. Just make sure I apply that both on the top and bottom. So then I'm gonna go ahead and see how it looks. If it looks good with the lashes and stuff, then I'll keep it like that. If not, I'll add a liner. I'll add liner and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop my lashes, and then I'll be right back. And then also probably do a lip while I'm doing that. So I'll go ahead and just speed through that process. Lipstick. I applied the Live Glam, the Let's Do Makeup Live Glam collab. This is in the shade Baby Daddy. So I applied that lipstick, and then I also paired it with Luna by Luna lip gloss, and this is in the shade Venus. So I applied this one. This one came in my BoxyCharm, so in one of my BoxyCharms. So yeah. So I went ahead and applied my lashes. These are the Sultry Sexy Eye Boutique lashes. I honestly cannot remember the style of these lashes because I did throw the package away. But this is how the package comes in. These are in the style Stephanie, which are pretty cute, right? Awesome. definitely go check them out. I will link all their information down below. You can also use my discount code STEPHC, so STEPHC, all caps, for 10% discount. So yeah, I think that completes the look, guys. Honestly, I'm not mad at it. This is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I'm definitely okay with it. So I do like it. So yeah, I do want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.